Aren't you the superhero who got stuck trying to climb my tree back there?
I was flying at that time, and I only stopped by that tree. Neşe!
Everyone is so quiet today. My word.
We're just taking in the holiday.
Would you like another piece of pastry, Mr. Mahmut?
This pastry tastes wonderful. Bless those hands of yours. Huh? This place has changed a lot. Everything used to be so different. There used to be a few families. This area was all mulberry grove. My chair didn't make so much noise back in the old days. Huh?
Did you have a chance to meet the new neighbors, Mr. Mahmut?
Yes, I met them. They make too much noise, actually.
Well, happy holiday, Mr. Mahmut.
Thank you, sweetheart.